Gesture and attitude of a leader play an important role in the success of a team. For the first time under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, people of India have come to know that Prime Minister heads the Department of Space. Active participation of PM Modi in Indian Space Research Organization's activities and his continuous encouragement have boosted the morale of ISRO's staff, and its results are remarkable. On 30th June 2014, after the successful launch of 5 foreign satellites from Sriharikota, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has asked ISRO to develop a satellite that can be dedicated as a gift to our neighbors. He said, "Today I ask you, the space community, to take up the challenge of developing a SARC satellite that can be dedicated as a gift to our neighborhood." On 20th April 2016, ISRO has accomplished the task of developing the country's own navigation system, IRNSS-1G. PM Modi has termed ISRO's IRNSS as Navik, and he invited the SARC nations to navigate through Indian constellation of satellites. With this achievement, India has joined the league of the countries that have an indigenous navigation system. The system will reduce India's dependency on US global positioning system. Apart from India, only a few countries, including the US, the European Union, China and Russia, have their own navigation systems in place. India has attained a position of a leader in space technology through some of the recent landmark achievements. Another one of the greatest achievements of the recent past was MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission, also called as Mangalyaan. After a successful journey of 666 million kilometers from Earth in over 10 months, Mangalyaan entered the red planet's orbit. It was completed at a record cost of $74 million, and with this, India became the first country to successfully enter Mars orbit in the first attempt. These space activities, whether MOM, Mars Orbiter Mission called Mangalyaan, or IRNSS-1G, the Navik, are aligned with the Prime Minister's Make in India vision, and it's a matter of pride. To conclude, I would like to quote the words of the HOD of Department of Space, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Success of our space program is a shining symbol of what we are capable of as a nation. Innovation by its very nature involves risk. If you are trying to do something that has not been done before, it is a leap into the dark, and space indeed the biggest unknown out there. Let's set ourselves even more challenging goals, and this too must become a base for challenging the next frontier. Sharing ISRO's achievement under Make in India is a matter of pride for me.